Hello and welcome everyone on my channel, Silvercoins Stacker. And on today's video we're gonna be unboxing a few letters which I was collecting for the last 2 or 3 months. I wasn't have as much time to play with, so today it's Sunday, it's the rest day, so I can enjoy my latest purchase and shiny bits and bobs. So maybe we're gonna start. The first one comes from Martin, silver trader. I can see already, I can see the stamp. Let me go through. Okay, oops. Yeah, we're inside. That's where you're gonna find the information about Martin. Pop in, checking out his website. You got plenty nice coins and the bars. Ooh, my favorite series, Legendary Warriors. Looks cool. So far, my #1 series. Definitely gonna carry on to collecting them. Oh, what we can do is we can put it over there. Let me move for the next one. I think we need to do the cut. Yep. And I believe that's something for my daughter. Lunar Series 3. Yes, I'm correct. Yeah. Year of the Horse, ½ ounce. She's collecting them on the collar. Looks very nice. To be honest, I believe I should get. Yeah, I got them with me in here, so you can see how the series was so far. It looks very cool. Let me put them on the side and we move for the next one. Next time I just gonna prepare myself, and I think I'm gonna open all of them, so oh, sorry for that. So we're not gonna waste half of the video for going through the envelopes, especially from Martin. He always likes to secure them very well, which is very good, don't get me wrong. I think we got another missing bit which gonna end up on my display. Yes, Germania Mint with cooperation with the Royal Mint. Lucky bar. So that's gonna be over there. We put it in here for now. What's that? Okay. Oh, that looks good. Definitely look nice. It's not the investment piece, but I really like design, and it's quite bulky. It's definitely gonna be visible on the display. I like dragons, so that's the reason why I go for the piece. Gonna leave him over there. Then we move for the next one. I believe this one is gonna be easier to do it that way. Yeah, we will. What do we got? Another series which I collecting as well, Tudor Beasts. Don't want to touch it with the fingers, just show you like that for now. The Queen's Lion. It comes nice condition. As far as I remember, that comes from Danku website. He got very reasonable prices. Cool guy as well. And I think we end up with 3 of them, which most of the people on the Stackers Social know already what's that. I believe quite few of us on Stackers Social decides to go for subscribe on Tavex for the gold bars. I'm quite positive that's what it is. That's what inside the envelope. Let me take the invoice. Yeah, it is the invoice. Invoice will go down. Guess what? Guess who's gonna be happy? My little one definitely gonna be happy. Let me put them over there for now. Oh, that's nice. I use the envelopes. Just try to be gentle with that. I don't want to damage. Like the idea, so the bar is not gonna getting scratched. And that's the big reveal for the first one. 1 gram Tavex bar. So let me open the second and the third. Strongly recommend investing with gold. especially for the long term. Ah, right, that was almost reveal my name. Yeah. So they send thank you for your purchase, the trust and confidence in Tavex. That's a nice touch, to be honest. Yeah, invoice. This one's slightly different. Got the logo sticker. We try to open maybe that way. No, it needs to be that way. The question is if it's gonna work that way. Well, I'm gonna be able. It's coming. Comes nicely. One gram. Maybe. I'm gonna put them like that. And no surprises this time. It's gonna be exactly the same. Oh, that's a really nice touch. Thank you, dziękujemy. So they know where I come from. Come from Poland. It's not a secret. Thank you very much, Lena. That's really, really nice from you. It's definitely nice touch. Invoice. And then, oh, this definitely different than the other ones. But what I spotted on this one, yeah, on this one, no sweets. We got 3, so it's fine. We're not gonna complaining. Too much sugar, it's no good. That's the reveal on the 3rd one. Oh, I just spotted with the numbers. So it's 17, 18, and 19. So that's gonna be everything for today. Thank you very much for watching my video. Hope you enjoy it. See you soon.